Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In previous video, I discussed introduction and classification of terpenes and terpenoids, and in this video, I will discuss isolation of essential oil. First of all, from plant material, essential oils are separated, and from essential oil, terpenes and terpenoids are isolated. So first, I will discuss extraction or isolation of essential oil from plant material. There are four methods to isolate essential oil from plant material. So the first method is expression method. This is one of the old method, and nowadays we don't use this method due to the low yield of essential oil. So what happened in this method? Plant material is dried, then cut and crushed into small pieces, and juice is extracted as we extract the juice from the sugar cane, and this juice is centrifuged at high speed. Ultracentrifugation is done. Half of the oil is obtained while half is present still in residue. So this residue undergoes steam distillation and remaining oil is also obtained. In second method, steam distillation method, we crushed the plant material into small pieces, and this material is macerated, softened by using suitable solvent, and then steam at high temperature is passed through this material. Steam dissolved or oils are dispersed within the steam, and this steam along with the oil is condensed. Then condensate contain oil and water. So now we perform solvent extraction. We add petroleum ether. Let's see the separating funnel. We add this mixture and obtain this layer, and by adding petroleum ether from outside and shaken the mix both the solvents, then the oil is transferred from aqueous layer to the ether layer. So after solvent extraction, we remove water layer and the ether layer. Ether layer contain oil, and ether is evaporated at controlled low temperature as well as low pressure, and we obtained oil. So in steam distillation method, we obtain oil by using steam. And in third method, which is called as extraction of essential oil by using volatile liquid. Similarly, plant material is crushed into small pieces, and those pieces are mixed with light petrol. We can use another highly volatile liquid. So this light petrol is solubilize the essential oil components, and we get the mixture of oil and petrol, and we remove the other plant material, and this mixture is evaporated at reduced pressure as well as temperature, and the volatile petrol is removed, and we get our final product of essential oil. And the fourth method is separation of essential oil by adsorption in fat. For this purpose, we take a glass plate or dish and spread a layer of fat over it, and we place the petals or leaves which contain terpenes or terpenoids or essential oil over the surface of the fat. So the oil present in petals or leaves, this is adsorbed on the surface of the fat. So after 1 or 2 days, we remove the old leaves with the fresh ones and repeat this process in several days. When the fat becomes saturated with oil, we mix it with the ethanol. So ethanol, it solubilizes the essential oils, and few of the fat molecule also become solubilized with the ethanol. So we get the mixture oil, ethanol, and few molecules of fats. So we treat this mixture at low temperature. Fats solidify and we get the ethanol and oil mixture, and we perform fractional distillation in which ethanol is removed, and finally we get our essential oil. So these are the 4 methods to isolate essential oil from plant material. Thank you very much.